I'll explain about unit step signal. Here you can say this for unit step u of t equal to 1 for t greater than 0. So for t greater than 0, so it is, that is 1, and for t less than or equal to 0, this is 0. And then if it is discrete signal, you can say this u of n equal to 1 for t greater than 0 values, it is, that is 1. For t less than or equal to 0, this is 0. This is 0. So I will explain the program. Here you can see this, and this is the unit step signal MATLAB program. You can see this here, and you can see this here, and here this is the general instruction clear command window, and clear all means that is clear variable from the workspace. Close all means that is close all figures windows. Then here we need to write, you need to generate the unit step. For that, this is the time period from -10 to 10. For example, unit step indicates from -10 to 10. So that is the period, from time period for the signal. And this is the unit step from y1. I am assuming y1 is the unit step. For t1 greater than or equal to 0, it is 1. It is 1. And remaining all, that is 0. So here subplot of 1 comma 2 comma 1 means out of one row there are two columns are there, one row, two columns, and first diagram is plot t1 comma y1. y1 need to plot here. That is the first one, plot, and x label should be getting time and y label should be amplitude, and the signal name is unit step signal. And for that, then the generation of unit step sequence, you can say this subplot of 1 comma 2 comma 2 means out of one row and there are two columns, second diagram, so that is t1 comma y1 sequences, and x label should be samples for discrete, and y label should be amplitude. Title should be unit step sequences. Like this we can generate the unit step signal. So for that, first we need to open the MATLAB. I am going to open the MATLAB. So then here we'll get like this the page, and we can go for the new script. Go for new and open the new script. Then we will get command window like this. Then we need to write the code. The same code I am writing here, and here after writing this code, the same code I am writing here, and then after writing this code here, there the top side there is a run option is there, so we can click on that. First we need to save it. First, before run we need to save. Go to save it and give the any name, or else unit step or something we can give it, and you can save it anywhere. I am giving unit step .m, and I am saving in my folder. You can save it anywhere. Saved. Then we need to go for an option. Click on that. Then we'll generate, that is unit step function, unit step sequence. Just wait 5 to 10 seconds. We'll get like this. So this is the unit step signal, and this is the unit step sequence. We can generate like this. For you can say this here. For t greater than 0, it is 1. For t less than or equal to 0, it is 1. So like this we can generate unit step signal. Thank you.